don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Oh, madoda Tibos. Why twist the interview? The interview got Godfather. Abantu bebekade behleka iOrlando Pirates Football Club nabo Khila nabo London. Okay ke mosoyenze yami ake ngicela amabhakaniya wozani nonke amabhakaniya sizohleka uKhila iChiefs idliwe sizohleka iChiefs idliwe bathi thina Satiliki no-ice iChiefs idliwe
Bega siyabaphinda Paulo Bega brother I told you they are going to playoffs yanyiwa yabona ku Chiefs umboni washo wathi ifuna ini amasende iChiefs yanyiwa wadlala ama playoffs bakathwa yanyiwa manje bheka sibashayile namhlanje ngiyabuya futhi bakunamba bani libhlungu
webona TLP obokhuluma ngayo webona TLP botha udriver we TLP iTLP ayisebenzanga kahle ngoba nangu udriver uyambona udriver manje TLP isebenzi
bheka wazi sithiwo name today
TLP isebenzi
kodwa sibheke amanyudluls bona labantu yabahlulile thina siyenzile ko Sundowns nge2 minutes sashesha saphinde sawina namhlanje sesitrainer lapha eFNB stadium sabo
take note
final
Stanley uGodfather uKhila London abahlonipha ibrand yeParis. This is a big team. This is a big team. Anyway, Tibos angibonge abalandeli beOrlando Pirates Football Club. Plan number 12 umuntu ozithengela ithikithi ngoba ethanda iParis for mahala for free ukuthi iParis kumele mayizodlala egroundini ibe nabalandeli. Ngibonge imanagement yeOrlando Pirates ngokubambisana ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe kahle. Ngibonge ama players ngokwesekana now and then ebebekade beku starting lineup ebebekade beku reserve ebebekade bekuma grandstand ukuthi basebenze very hard ngoba namhlanje ithi into iBetway derby yale 24-25 season besiyivala ishafta yeBetway sifela kamnandi sithi kwiChiefs sithole 6 points
iChiefs idliwe
ukuthi ke uJose ubene what you call uJose irecord lakhe lihle usewenze nje 5 in a row back to back eshaya iChiefs kwidabi ofushi wephule ama record wabo coach beke bafika phambili kuPirates. Sibonga kakhulu bese sibabonga abadlali bethu ngokubuyela egameni because iChiefs ibesitsho igame intshontshe ngobani ngo 2 minutes. Lela goal ngene ngobani Godfather lingene ngobani hayi goal lokuqala nini ngifile lingene nini goal
wabona Chiefs sithisa kama nabo
hayi goal lingene nini 2 minutes 3 minutes
Chiefs sithisa kama nabo
hayi goal lingene nini
babafuna ukwenza lento thina
akalibonanga ukuthi ligolele lingene nini kodwa the way sheshe ngakhona ungena igoli shokuthi umdlalo besibe untshontshile baphinde wabehlula umdlalo
sibona ka diski buhlungu
Ngibona kama jita
Sibo alikomhlu bebahlakathina last week basinika ama ice namhlanje ama ice
abonwe izwe lonke ama ice baphethe baphamisa ngePirates bathi yona iCup lePirates
bathi wafuna ukusayina
bathe ama-ice iCouple Pirates today masehleka bona bayakhala bayangala bayakwata ofusha ke ngithi kubona ngesilungu wesiphuphile hard luck killer hard luck London. This is a football.
Hey, Chiefs was kakhohlwa.
You have to know this is a football. In football, anything can happen. You have to understand proper football. But what can I congratulate to Kaizer Chiefs supporters? Lalela, Tibos, esingakuncoma nje kubalandeli beChiefs. Lento besiyikhuluma. Mfowethu basiphethe kahle ibehavior yabo ibe mnandi. Baluzile kuParis. Engikuthandile umanga i-team yabo isihamba iya kuma dressing room akho mlandelo ke wavela for front evimba eveza ukuthi uyalwa they are very supportive babashayela izandla bafika behind the pole yamakhosi abadlali beChiefs bacula nabo bashaya izandla babonga that support esifunayo ke uma umlandeli wangempela ungavele ule for fighting for nothing be loyal etimini yakho uyisupport team yakho extend nasebubini thina suka kuthi nama team wethu edliwa kwangempela lokho kwenzakalayo into ezincane ingakho ngithi into ezincane ingakho ngithi ngiyayibonga isupport umlandeli oneqiniso eteamini yakhe uma umlandeli ukusupport team yakho extend nasebubini of which I win ma umlandeli sebonus mangikutshela nje straight talk into yakho mawuthanda I win sebonus ake sibonge nabe TLP yani ngaphela moya makhosi ngiyanibona yaphela moya yaphela moya tango asibuyele nana asibuyele nana asibuyele ngicela ukwenza so Tibos ngicela ukuyivala so abadlali beParis namhlanje bebonke baba man of the match kodwa kasikakhohle ukuthi yabona mfana bathi TLP yabona lo mfana bathi TLP lo mfana future country future bafana what the Pirates always
Bathi inhliziyo ya